The coffee maker, an essential in many homes, traces its origins back to 1908 with a German housewife, Melitta Bentz. Unsatisfied with the bitter taste and gritty residues left by traditional brewing methods, Bentz devised a groundbreaking solution using a piece of blotting paper. She placed the paper in a brass pot with holes, creating the first ever coffee filter. This simple innovation allowed for a smooth brew and revolutionized coffee preparation globally. Bentz soon patented her design and started a business, changing the way people enjoyed coffee and setting the stage for the modern drip coffee maker.